my dear subscribers, welcome to my new vlog. Today I'm in Moscow, but not exactly in Moscow. Now I'm in Moscow region. I came to visit my relatives. It's a countryside and it's so nice here. So this day is gonna be a relaxing day to me. Then I will go to Moscow and then I will go to St. Petersburg, and of course I will show you everything. Let's start from the beginning. On July 4th I woke up really early because I had an early morning flight to Moscow. When I arrived there, I took an airport express train right to Moscow, and then I needed one more train to the countryside, because my first destination was a village Savelyevo, where my relatives live. So now I'm here. Here are two houses. They are houses of my relatives. Also here's a garden. Cars, bikes, a dog. Also here are two cats, but I didn't meet them yet. And of course the nature. I think we will go to the beach soon, so I will film there. I will show you countryside nature. And the most important thing of the countryside is strawberry. Oh my gosh, a lot of strawberries. I can enjoy them a lot. In a couple of hours, we went to the beach. In the afternoon, it was sunny and hot. My uncle and my cousins swam in the river. I didn't take my swimsuit, so I just enjoyed nice weather, walked around, took pictures and filmed videos. It's the beach time! After having a really nice time on the beach, I came to Dmitrov because that village where I stayed at my relatives is located near to Dmitrov city. Tomorrow will be raining, but today is sunny. So it's better to have a walk exactly this evening. I invite you to join me and let's discover something interesting about this city. Dmitrov is located 65 kilometers north of Moscow. And Dmitrov was founded earlier than Moscow. but different sources mention different years. Mostly they say about a 7-year difference. The most interesting thing in Dmitrov is Kremlin. Yes, we have Kremlin not just in Moscow, but in 9 more cities, in the oldest ones, because Kremlin is a wall for the citizens' protection from the enemies. Dmitrov Kremlin looked like a wooden wall surrounded by water-filled mud. Unfortunately, this wooden fortress was burned in 1610. And nowadays we can see just a huge earth mound and a moat without water. Let's look at the Kremlin from the inside. Behind the Kremlin there is a nice park. Since it was pretty late, I didn't walk there. I took a few pictures and left Dmitrov. See you in the next vlog!